with the help of my friend Josh, we have moved the auxiliary outputs on the decoder functions to different function buttons, so that I now have fully controllable auxiliary outputs, which means I've now been enabled to do this. I have white route indicator blinds. And I have red route indicator blinds. If I turn them off altogether, then technically I've got black route indicator blinds. This function will allow me to have correctly displayed blinds depending on the direction of travel, and I can also turn them off when the loco is stabled. I can leave them on at one end or the other, and if I'm running a pair of locos, then the middle blinds can be set to black, as is prototypical, and have just the reds on the back of the rear loco and the whites on the front. This has only been necessary because in the later years the little tail light, marker light things here weren't used, and it was all done on the blinds. So there we go. Concept completely proven now. I'll do a little short video shortly of how I achieved making this modification to the Heljan Class 33 in O gauge.